Put a piece of garlic in this part of your body and you will see what happens to your health. Nature has the answer to many diseases and conditions. Hundreds of plants and vegetables have incredible medicinal benefits, and their use dates back to millennia ago. Put a piece of garlic in this part of your body and you will see what happens to your health. Many plants and herbs are still used for their medicinal properties even today with all the advancements in the medical field. This means that they're still effective. Garlic is one of the healthiest foods you can eat, and is often a part of folk remedies. According to recent research, putting a piece of garlic in a specific part of the body can treat numerous diseases. For example, putting a piece of garlic in the ear and going to bed is a great remedy for painful infections and reducing discomfort in your ear. This simple remedy has been used against hearing problems as well, but if you don't see improvements for a while, you should visit a doctor. Besides helping you defeat ear infections and problems, garlic contains numerous essential nutrients such as potassium, calcium, allicin, quercetin, glutamic and aspartic acid, vitamins B1, B6 and C as well as other nutrients. Garlic for vaginal infections. Besides treating ear infections, garlic can also help you treat vaginal infections. If you're suffering from this kind of infections, just put a thread through a garlic clove with a needle and insert it in your vagina, making sure the thread is outside. Go to bed and let the garlic work overnight, then pull the thread gently and take the garlic out in the morning. This should treat the infections effectively and quickly. As you can see, garlic has numerous medicinal uses, which is why we recommend always having some close at hand.